Guys, please make sure you stand till the end. One common mistake that people often make can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Stay with us, we'll explain what we're talking about. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Chevy Tahoe or Chevy Suburban, this generation here from year 2014 to year 2020. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the fuses, relays for the crankshaft position sensor are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. All that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them guys completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork guys, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays as well guys. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. Guys, we have more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. We'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Please check it out. For the crankshaft position sensor, which fuse and relay you need to check, we will demonstrate on this generation Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban right here. Both of these models are actually guys built on the same platform, so it should apply to both models. The main difference will be if you have a Chevy Tahoe, it's a little bit shorter. Now guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know that there will be 5 different hidden fuse boxes in that SUV. That's why we made special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Tahoe, Chevy Suburban fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. What we need to do first, we need to open the hood, and when you open the hood facing the engine, on the driver's side you have a fuse box under that cover. Go ahead and open it, and you're going to find a fuse box that has a layout that looks like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, which fuses and relays you need to check, make sure you stand till the end. We'll explain how we can test crankshaft position sensor too. And here we need to check fuse 74. That's the first engine management fuse. We will name many engine management fuses and relays. There is limited information about it, but if you have problems with the crankshaft position sensor, check all these fuses. 74. Then you need to go to fuse 87. And fuse 87 is here. 88, 89, 90, 91. All this will need to be checked. After that you need to check relay 92. And next you need to check fuse 100, 101 and 102. 102 is a double 15 amp fuse that's known as a micro 3-blade fuse. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get it from, because it could be super overpriced or really hard to find. For any of you that want to see how to test crankshaft position sensor, it's easy guys. We'll have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that. That way you know if it's a bad sensor, so you don't waste your money and buying parts unless you need to. So guys, I want to show you now something. Okay, check this thing out. You have all different kinds of fuses. Fuses, relays, circuit breakers, something that could be really hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere, you don't have a replacement one, you may end up being stuck guys in the middle of nowhere, or they can be seriously overpriced. So what we do, we usually buy some spare ones, we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.